I'm here actually to ask you a question. Have you heard about the Blogs Review project? Well, I believe not, and that's why I'm here today to explain to you a little bit this new project that the Planet 4 team is working on. Are you ready? After spending the last year working with pilots and arrows, GP Brazil, Nordics, and Luxembourg to deploy the new information architecture that will improve the way content on Planet 4 websites is organized, the team is now working on a new big project to continue improve the P4 editor's experience. So let's remember that after establishing a new information architecture for the product, it resulted in building new blogs and blog partners in order to improve the way editors show and organize contents on their websites. Also, we cannot forget, since WordPress released the Gutenberg version, they have constantly improved their core blogs to offer more flexible and maintainable blogs to the user. This is why it's now time to audit our own custom blogs and assess whether we should improve them or transition them to WordPress core blogs while still carrying P4 users' needs. And you might be asking, how works the process? What has been done already? Well, we have already worked on a front and back end review that has been already conducted. We have different flows to follow, different tests, so all of these we have done already. And at the same time, we also work on accessibility audit that was also performed through articles, blog review, covers blog review, submenu blog review, and last but not least, all the Planet 4 team members were interviewed about the experience and thoughts around the blogs. As well, we have a space for brainstorm sessions. Well, but maybe you're gonna be asking how to improve editor experience. Actually, we are asking this question right now. What else we could do more to improve the editor's experience? Well, one of the first things that we have thought is basically keep monitoring blogs usage, so it's going to also help us to get some insights, and at the same time conducting tests and interviews. So basically the methodology that we'd like to use for that would be to recruit participants from staff members using Planet 4 to conduct observation tests followed by one-to-one interviews. So those interviews will help the Planet 4 team to make informed decisions based on users' problems and needs. So basically based on the user experience, that is one of the things that is very important for us. In this case, maybe you're gonna be asking, okay, how it's gonna be, when it's gonna happen, like how it's gonna be the process. So I'm gonna tell you right now. So first thing, the observation tests and the interviews is gonna take place by the end of February, early of March. And then after we conduct all the interviews and tests, we are going to basically analyze the findings by the mid of March. And by the end of March, the expectation is that we are going to have the final UX and UI recommendations. And after that, we are going to be basically in early Q2, around those periods. We want to implement the change and as well further tests for other blogs that we would like to test. So basically this is the timeline. Ideally, we are going to start the interviews by the end of this month. And if you actually are curious and actually would like to help us with this project, that would be amazing. That's basically what's going to make the project happen. Please sign up to participate. We're going to be super excited to work with you and you're going to be happy to help you on this journey. Thank you so much.